Hey guys, Isaac Matthews here at Nichols Marine Grand Lake. I'm on board the 2025 Chaparral 307. Right now I'm lounging on Chaparral's well-known Oasis area. This includes the large sun pad that I'm sitting on right now. Then if I stand up, you have the massive swim platform and the hydraulic infinity power step. If I move to the cockpit of the boat, as you can see, you have blue LEDs all throughout the boat. Something new with 2025 is this HTX hardtop with integrated LEDs. This hardtop will move up and down at the press of a button. Moving to the helm, you have dual Simrads for all your controls and Lenco trim tabs. Something with the 307 is the 9-foot beam and the extra cockpit seating. The 9-foot beam, you get the double bolster seatings. You have the enclosed head with vanity. Moving to the bow of the boat, Chaparral has a much deeper bow than most. You have the stainless steel grab rails, ice chest under this seat, and right here, you have the windlass anchor. Stop by our store at Monkey Island and come see it today in person, or give me a call at 918-676-6868.